Assalamu alaikum. What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are gonna implement the FittedBox widget in our Flutter application. So the usage of FittedBox comes when you want a more improved UI as well as when you're creating a responsive layout for your application. So we're gonna implement the code first and then we'll run on the emulator and then we'll use the FittedBox property. Okay, so let's code it first. Okay, we are done with our code. Let's run this application. Okay, so after running the code successfully, you can see the output. In the card, I have taken a row, and in the row, I have two widgets. One container with height and width of 120 respectively, and another I had a text, and you can see it has overflowed. So here comes the usage of FittedBox. Being a single child layout widget, it makes its child forcefully adjust according to the screen layout. So what I will do is I will wrap this row with FittedBox and I will box fit this property to cover. So let's see what happens then. So I will wrap this row under FittedBox and it has a property of fit. So I will box fit this row to cover. Now let's hot reload this code, and as you can see, okay, so the text has a white color, I think. So okay, now let's check. So you can see it is displaying outstandingly, and you can use another box fit, let's say fill. I think this hasn't changed. Let's try with contain. No sign of change. So let's wrap this video here only, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like this video, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming content. Stay tuned. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.